How to display discount percentage on the sale badge in WooCommerce. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to display discount percentage on the sale badge in WooCommerce. First of all, open your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left menu, navigate to Plugins and click Add Plugin to open the plugin library. Once the library loads, go to the top right side and use the search bar to search for advanced Woo labels. When the results appear, find the plugin that matches your search and click Install. The installation will take just a few moments, so wait patiently. After that, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. Once activated, you will see advanced Woo labels listed in your installed plugins, and it will also appear in your sidebar menu. Now, to display the discount percentage, go to the left menu and click Add New under Advanced Woo labels. You'll be redirected to a new page where you can create and customize your discount badge. At the top, give your label a name, for example, % off. Next, under Label Conditions, open the drop-down menu. From the list, select Product is on sale. You don't need to change anything else here. This condition ensures the label only appears on discounted products. Now scroll down to Label Settings and open the General tab. In the Label text field, type Save %%, or click on Supported Variables and select Saved Percentage from the list. The code will automatically copy, just paste it into the text field. This variable will automatically calculate and display the correct discount percentage on every product. You can also explore the badge template section and choose a badge style you prefer. Next, set the position type to on image and choose a position like left top, so the badge appears clearly over your product photos. Now go to the Style tab at the top. Enable the Set Custom Style option. Choose a dark badge color so the text is easy to read on product images. You can also adjust the text weight to bold for better visibility. Once all your settings are done, go to the right side and click Publish. Within a few seconds, your badge will update on your website. Now let's visit the storefront to preview it. On the product page, scroll down and you'll see your new discount badges. Any product that is on sale will now automatically show the discount percentage based on the price difference. And that's it. This is how you can display the discount percentage on the sale badge in WooCommerce. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.